Hey ladies! Today I'm going to share some amazing baking soda hacks that every woman needs in her arsenal. Trust me, baking soda is so much more than just a cooking ingredient. Stick around to the end because you won't want to miss a single tip. And be sure to leave a comment letting me know which hack is your favorite. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild base that has so many uses beyond being an ingredient in recipes. It's a natural deodorizer, cleaning agent, and beauty product all wrapped up into one inexpensive box. Here are my top 10 baking soda hacks. 1. Natural deodorant. Commercial deodorants are often filled with chemicals and aluminium that can be absorbed into your pores. Baking soda makes an excellent natural alternative to store-bought deodorant. Just pat some under your arms whenever you need some extra odor-blocking power. The high pH of baking soda neutralizes underarm odor. It's also antimicrobial, so it inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria. 2. Soften skin. After a shower, pat a little baking soda on still damp skin, then rinse. It helps remove any residue from soap and leaves skin feeling super soft. Exfoliate occasionally by gently rubbing baking soda on wet skin in circular motions before rinsing. This removes dead skin cells, leaving you with smoother skin. 3. Sunburn soother. If you've spent a little too much time in the sun, whip up a soothing bath by adding 1/2 cup baking soda to a lukewarm tub and soaking. The baking soda will help draw out inflammation and provide relief. For targeted treatment, make a paste with 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water and apply it directly to sunburned skin. Let it sit for 5–10 minutes before rinsing. 4. Face cleanser. Baking soda is great for cleaning all over, including your face. It's a gentle exfoliant that whisks away dead skin cells, dirt, and oil. Make a paste with 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water and gently scrub all over your face. Rinse thoroughly. Your face will feel clean and fresh. Use this 2–3 times a week for a mini facial scrub. 5. Shine your strands. Over time, hair products, minerals, and pollutants can build up on your hair, leading to dull, lifeless locks. Baking soda to the rescue. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with 1 cup water. After shampooing, pour the mixture through your hair and let sit 1–2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. This gets rid of product residue to reveal shiny, polished hair. Use weekly. 6. Whiten teeth. Skip the expensive teeth whiteners filled with harsh chemicals. Just mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with 2 teaspoons water to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste for 1–2 minutes, then rinse. Do this once a week to naturally whiten teeth and remove stains without risking tooth enamel damage. 7. Soothe canker sores. Canker sores can be a real nuisance. Luckily, baking soda speeds up healing time. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda with just enough water to form a thick paste. Apply directly to the canker sore and let sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing. The baking soda reduces inflammation and irritation. 8. Deodorize stinky feet. Is foot odor an issue no matter how often you wash your feet? Baking soda comes to the rescue once again. Its antimicrobial properties inhibit the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Sprinkle baking soda into clean socks and shoes. This will create a better environment for your feet by reducing moisture and odor. 9. Soften calluses. Calluses on your feet form to protect underlying skin, but they can get uncomfortably thick. Exfoliate calluses away by mixing 3 parts baking soda to 1 part water to make a scrub. Rub it over calluses, let sit 5 minutes, then rinse. Repeat a few times a week to keep calluses at bay. 10. Clean combs and brushes. Your hair tools need cleaning too. Give combs and brushes a good deep clean by soaking them in a mixture of 4 teaspoons baking soda diluted in 1 cup water for an hour. Rinse thoroughly. Any built-up hair product, dirt, and bacteria will be dissolved away. This keeps your hair tools fresh and extends their lifespan.